Another episode of Cody and Rita. Cody, the hunter, the prolific hunter, loves to come up on her cage, and I guess they've been together for how long now? I know, and then Roxy tells us she has to bark whenever they're up there together. She senses something. It's okay, Roxy. It's okay. Sit. Sit. Stay. No, they're not. Hello, Cody. You are just a sweetheart, my Cody. Look at you. He's such a pretty boy. And the Rita. Hello, Rita. Hello, pretty Rita. Cody, you're supposed to be outside. Okay. Well, and there's little Miss Magoo. Hi, Maggie. It's okay, Roxy. It's okay. Kitty's out there now. Kitty's out there. Kitty's out there now. Shh. Yes. There's our spa that I hope is finally heated up. And here we are. Honey, we could get a nice little sunset here. Okay. That's it for today.